Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be going through the AncestryDNA testing kit, and I'm excited to be going through it with you. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I really want to find my family. My family's scattered across quite a few continents, several countries, more than I honestly can remember, and I don't know all of them. So I've set an account with AncestryDNA. I'm going to activate this bad boy right here, and then we'll get started. So what we're going to do to start with, so I'm going to fill this tube with saliva up until that little black mark where my finger is here. Ah, it works. Okay, you need to just shake this for 5 seconds. But you need to screw on the cap really tightly. And that's it everyone, it's literally as simple as that. Go online, activate a code, spit in a bottle, shake it up a bit and then post it. I look forward to the results and sharing them with you. So until next time, peace.